Okay.
Alright, where am I going now?
Are you by the flight path?
Mm-hmm.
Here, we'll invite you in a sec. You can just run down to the sand, like, just to the west of that.
Why are you all the way out in the wood? Oh, are you on here too? Oh god, I fell. Rip. Look at pirates. Ah! Excuse me. What are all these fucking ships doing here?
Wait, you went to the wrong one.
You said Tusk Isle. That's what that one is.
No, you're in the Isle of Fangs.
Oh, wait, wait. It's literally labeled both. Okay, well,
That's fine.
I have the 5.5 that one, so I'm coming.
That's fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, so should I stay where I'm at?
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn around.
Arr! There he be!
So dumb. Oh my god.
We planned this for like 40 minutes.
Jesus
Like,
Christ. Wait, what if you stop so I can actually look at the map? Oh my god, this thing is actually pretty fucking cool.
dude, it's worth it. Totally worth it.
Oh my
Set
god.
sail, me hearties.
Oh my
Arr, arr,
god.
arr.
The thing's got us water walk, so it actually moves faster over the water.
Arr, there be
fuck
dolphins
awesome.
in front of us.
Sure.
I wish I could ride in it with you.
Alright, who else can we get with this?
Has Jordan seen it?
No. He's AFK